So here's a quick how-to on removing teams, in fact archiving teams, because you may not want to delete the teams that you created earlier. If there's anything that you want to reuse, you certainly don't want to delete, but it would be useful to freeze any activity in teams that the students had access to last year. For example, things like meetings, chat, posts, these are all still active until we either delete or archive. So this was a mystery to me until recently, but if you go to the Teams view and click on the cogwheel icon at the top right and go to Manage Teams, you get a different view and different options with your teams than you do when you're looking at them through the normal Teams panel. So if you click on the right hand side, the three dots, the ellipses, you can archive any teams that you had from last year. This will freeze any activity. So I think all HODs, in fact any team owners, should go through and archive and even make the SharePoint site read only. This will leave any notebooks or any revision material visible, but it will make the team inactive. So it should stop the students communicating inappropriately. So go through, click the ellipses and choose Archive Team and click Make SharePoint Read Only. That will also switch off the SharePoint in the file sharing area. Okay, that's how to do it.